Hey, this is Tyler with Chronicles and West Virginia Fly Guys, and today we're going to be tying a Rainbow Warrior. Start by wrapping .015 lead-free wire onto the hook shank. When you get your lead-free wire to where it's suitable for you, begin wrapping your red Danville's 140 denier thread. Once you've got your clinch wrapped, smooth out the body and tighten down your wire a little bit. And then end at about the barb of the hook, maybe a little bit farther. Now I'm going to get my pheasant tail out. I'm going to get 5 or 6 fibers free from the stem and tie them in at about a hook gaps in length. Once I get those tied in, I'm just going to smooth out the body of my fly a little bit. And I'm going to end right in front of where I tied in my pheasant tail. I'm going to use holographic pearl colored Flashaboo. And I'm going to tie it in and then work my thread all the way up the body of the fly. I'm going to start wrapping my Flashaboo up the shank of the hook, trying not to leave any space between it. I get to the top of the fly, I'm going to tie it off and snip it free. Now we're going to go over and we're going to get some UV Superfly dubbing. In this case, we're going to be using orange, and you just need a small little bit. If you get too much, that's okay, you can cut it off at the end. I went a little heavy on my dubbing here, so I'm going to throw in about a 5 or 6 turn whip finish, and then I'm going to take my scissors in here and I'm going to groom it up just a little bit. After I get it groomed up, I'm going to throw in some head cement and then my fly is done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and for more flies like these, go to www.westvirginiaflyguys.com.